is the first I haven't been to Hollywood earlier in the day in like a long time. And I don't have a bag. I feel like I'm in the Parent Trap. The song is In the Parent Trap with Lindsay Lohan's version. Thinking cars inside. I found Alexis. Yes, I'm loud. I don't care. Alexis. I'm always concerned to say everyone's last name. Barber. Yes. And I have video proof now. That way I won't have it wrong. Apparently they've been waiting since 11 and it was like way over on the other side. I've been here for 30 minutes and we've only come like along the wall. That's crazy. I might have to leave you before you guys even get in there.
It's only 10 minutes.
Are you positive? You're positive?
10 minutes. 10 minutes. Once you get inside.
I feel like I just got upgraded. And 5's a good number, my birth month. Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm so excited. That's awesome. Wait, what time is it? Was that 10 minutes? That was 9 minutes.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. Alexis is really good. Oh, I thought my accuracy was horrible. Smells like. Holy cow, cotton candy. Wow, I mean you can smell it from outside the door, it's insane. Festival of Fantasy, I was wanting to try to sing that, but that wasn't going to happen for some reason. Use your words. So my boyfriend would tell me. One fun little easy tip, if you are at Magic Kingdom, in Tony's they have free water, so. I see the castle. I should not be that easily struck by the castle, even though I see it so often. Festival of Fantasy, yay! Alice was beautiful. She was extra beautiful today, so. Yay! I'm actually pleasantly surprised by a couple of the photos that I got because I have a different lens with me today. So 24-70. I did calibrate it a couple weeks ago. Wow, that is never open, only during Christmas. Yeah, I actually upgraded my pass, so I can go every day now if I want to. Got a sticker! So I'm actually going to Disney Springs. I want to find Ashley Taylor again. Hopefully some of her stuff is still there. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just trying to shimmy. That's why I was like, bleh. Flashing low battery. I was in my car getting situated, coming to Disney Springs. I want to make sure I had everything in my Dooney and Burke. And I don't see my card. I'm like, where is my card? So I decided to call SunTrust just to be safe. Put my card on hold. I go to look in my other bag. It's in my other bag. Glory, hallelujah. But good grief, now I'm going to have to apparently go to SunTrust and take it off hold. But thankfully I have a credit card, so everything's okay. Glory, hallelujah. I think I'm gonna buy a print. Well, yay! A couple pieces, postcards, and one larger print. She told me that there's another spot for artwork. I should just go, well, I am going to go to Epcot tomorrow, so yeah. Amazing. Cool. I did take a photo. I always take a photo of where I park. I'm going to try to hopefully meet Anna and Elsa. I'm even Disney bounding as Anna today, so. And I get to meet Pluto. I'm excited about that. A little tip. If you don't want to take forever in the bag line, if you have a bag that only has one opening. Which that's usually difficult anyways. But yeah, my bag only has one big opening, which is amazing, which I really do like it. It's from Luca and Greg. So cute. I wanted to slow down right there to make sure to get my card back in there so that I don't lose it. Oh my goodness. I love Anna and Elsa. Hello, blowout, blowout. Summer blowout. So that was less than an hour away, which was wonderful. We started to talk because I love the detail on the back of her boots. She was like, well, it could be for Arendelle and Anna. I was like, oh, definitely, definitely. And then we started to think of like other ones like apple, apricot. And then I was like, wait, and everything. Adorable. And Elsa, oh my gosh. She was telling me, she's like, well, we could go up the mountain, like go down the mountain, like go around the mountain like 3 times, but make sure to not go down the stairway that she made, because I then personally thought, well, that would be extremely slippery. That's lovely. It could have been like 2 feet to the right and it would have hit me on the head. A bird decided to take an accident. I was like, no! Pluto! The main event! Oh my goodness! How are you? You're gonna be in my vlog. Is that okay? I think so. Oh, you sniffing! I'm sure you've been good today, haven't you? You've gotten a lot of your bones. I was about to say cookies. Like, no bones. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Ah! You're adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's perfect. Bye, Pluto. Catch you later. Okay, so maybe, hopefully, like meeting Anna and Elsa, this is a less wait. It's a single rider, 50 minutes. Let's see here. Apparently you get to make your car this time around. I haven't been on test track in forever since before they revamped it, so cool. Oh my goodness. That is totally rad. Oh. Eco scan. Capability! Efficiency! Woohoo! Yeah!
Here's the final test. Energizing for power test.
The jerking, hello. That's so cool. Okay, of all places, in the bathroom. 1, you need to be patient everywhere at Disney. And this one lady tapped my shoulder for me to go, but I was still waiting for the girl to come out of the stall. And she then stopped and she was like, you look so cute. And I was like, oh, thank you. And 2 or 3, I'm not sure, but another mom and her little girl, her mom was like, oh, she looks like Anna. And I was like, that's adorable. Meaning that I looked like Anna. But yeah, patience. Sheesh. Okay, Epcot. Oh, there. I think the ball is in the shot. I'm not sure. It's sunny. I'll see the Epcot ball later, and I will also see all of you later. Bye, guys.